Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt like your legs didn't quite get the message? Or maybe you've tried walking up a flight of stairs and suddenly it felt like you were carrying a backpack full of bricks, even though your hands were empty. If you've noticed these changes, slower movements, quicker fatigue, or muscles that just don't feel as strong, I want you to know something right now. You are not alone, and more importantly, you are not helpless. Because in this video, I'm gonna show you something that could very well change your life. A simple, humble food that science now says can reverse age muscle loss even after 65. Yes, really, one food. Affordable, easy to find, and the best part, it's already waiting for you in your kitchen or local grocery store. So before you scroll away, stay with me, because your strengths, your independence, and your confidence are all worth these next few minutes. Now, let's talk about the silent thief that most people over 50 never see coming. It's called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength as we age. It creeps in quietly. One skipped step, one extra nap, one more time needing help to stand up, and over time it chips away at your independence. It's frustrating, sometimes even scary. But here's the part no one tells you. Muscle loss is not permanent. Your body still remembers how to rebuild, no matter your age. It just needs the right fuel and the right signal. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly where to find both. In a single food that's been hiding in plain sight. It's not a supplement. It's not a fancy shake. It's not an expensive powder with a long list of side effects. It's chickpeas. Yes, those small beige beans you might have seen in salads or hummus. What most people don't realize is that chickpeas are a muscle-building miracle, especially for seniors. In just 100 grams, they pack around 9 grams of plant-based protein. But that's not all. Chickpeas are rich in leucine, an amino acid that activates something called the mTOR pathway. Don't worry, no complex science here. Just think of mTOR as the switch that tells your body it's time to build and repair muscle. As we get older, that switch gets harder to flip. But chickpeas help turn it back on. But chickpeas don't stop there. They're also full of magnesium, which helps your muscles contract and relax properly. Ever had painful leg cramps at night or stiffness after just a short walk? That could be a magnesium shortage. And chickpeas can help. Plus, they're a solid source of iron, which keeps oxygen flowing to your muscles. More oxygen means more energy, and more energy means you can move, bend, stretch, and lift without feeling wiped out after just a few minutes. Imagine being able to walk up a hill or carry a bag of groceries without needing to rest right after. It's possible. You just need the right support. And chickpeas are a fantastic place to start. Now, before we move on, I'd love for you to take a quick moment to like this video if you're finding it helpful so far. It really supports our channel and helps us reach more people who need this message. Also, leave a comment below. Tell me, have you noticed changes in your strength or energy over the years? What's the one thing you wish you could do more easily again? I read every comment, and your story might just inspire someone else watching today. Let's keep going. The beauty of chickpeas is how easy they are to use. Add them to salads, soups, stews, or simply roast them with a little olive oil and salt for a crunchy snack. They are affordable, tasty, and they don't require any complicated recipes. And when you combine them with foods rich in vitamin C, like red bell peppers or a splash of lemon juice, your body absorbs even more of their iron. It's small changes like this that over time add up to big results. But we're not stopping at chickpeas. I want to give you even more tools. Let's talk about another quiet superhero, green peas. These little gems give your body lysine, an amino acid your body uses to build collagen, That's what keeps your joints, tendons, and muscles flexible and strong. They also contain leucine, just like chickpeas, which boosts that all-important muscle-building signal. And when you eat peas with vitamin C-rich foods, your body absorbs iron better. That means more energy and better endurance throughout the day. Another incredible food, spirulina, a type of blue-green algae that's one of the most nutrient-dense substances on Earth. In just 1 teaspoon, you get 2 grams of complete protein, 50 milligrams of iron, and a burst of B vitamins that spark energy throughout your body. It even contains phycocyanin, a compound that calms inflammation in your muscles, helping you recover faster. No need to cook, just stir it into water or add it to your smoothie. That's it. 1 teaspoon a day can help your muscles feel lighter, looser, and more responsive. Now, here's the surprise: parsley. Most people just toss it aside thinking it's only a garnish, but this little green leaf is packed with vitamin K, iron, and a powerful compound called apigenin that reduces muscle soreness and boosts recovery. Add it to smoothies, salads, or even brew it as tea. A simple handful daily can support stronger, more resilient muscles and bones. And again, if you combine it with lemon or tomatoes, you unlock even more of its power. And finally, don't underestimate chives. These tiny greens might seem like decoration, but they are loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, and a plant compound called allicin, which improves blood flow and eases muscle tension. Better circulation means faster recovery and more oxygen to keep your body energized and moving. Sprinkle them over eggs, soups, salads. No cooking required. So let's put it all together. If you start adding just a few of these foods into your weekly meals, chickpeas, green peas, spirulina, parsley, and chives, you're not just eating healthy. You're fueling your strength. You're telling your muscles, we're not done yet. You're saying yes to energy, independence, and confidence every single day. Remember, muscle loss is not a one-way road. You can rebuild. You can feel strong again. All it takes is consistency, the right nutrients, and a mindset that says, I'm still in control. So why wait? Pick one of these foods. Try one new recipe. Make one small change this week. Because sometimes just one choice can open the door to a whole new chapter of strength and vitality. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend or loved one, and subscribe to our channel for more practical, empowering tips designed for your journey to better health. New videos drop every week, simple, science-backed, and always made with you in mind. Stay strong, stay curious, and keep feeding your strength. We'll see you in the next one.